What is going on, everybody? What's up? Babs here. I'm going to put together a little, I guess, quick video. Just going to be one hole. Obviously, everybody's favorite hole, Torrey Pines #3. And so we want to try and figure out, some people are having trouble with this hole, I guess, with the yardages and all that good stuff. So back in the day, when this came out, Giannis said that it plays closer to 68 feet downhill instead of 38 feet, depending on, how you calculate your shots. So keep that in mind when you're starting off. So first off, try and calculate it with 68 feet instead of 38 feet. And that'll start to get you in a better position to play this hole properly. So if we're looking at this in terms of 68 feet instead of 38, you want to say, okay, what are my shot options? And I would say I have 3 options. Have a full backspin 5-iron, a half spin 6-iron, or a punch full backspin 4-iron. And you got to get comfortable with which one you want to go with. So, in looking at this green, keep in mind that this green, kind of sucks. So it's all flat, basically, right in here. This is relatively all, I wouldn't say flat, but it's flatter than most. So the front of the green kind of funnels towards the flag here. The back of the green kind of funnels towards it here and here. And if you're along this blue line, it's a right to left putt. But after the blue line, it goes straight down like this. Straight down like that. Boom. Boom. So most often, if you to land anywhere near this blue line, it'll come down the hill. Somewhere over here, 30-foot putt back uphill. Not a very moving putt, but still, you're going down the hill. So now we're looking at ourselves, and we're looking at the shot, we're like, well, crap, we got a right to left wind. So let's go through all 3 shots and sort of see what we're getting at here. So in calculating this with all 3 shots, my yardage right now is 172.5 yards. Call it 172 because it's downhill. So we're going to look at first shot, which is punch 4-iron, roughly 97, 98%. My normal aim would be about, close to 4 grids, but I'm going to take it down a half a grid just because of this downhill section. So we'll hit this punch 4-iron, 97%, misting, and we'll show that, slightly short. And you kind of get comfortable with what your yardages are going to be. And that's all part of practice is, okay, what are my I'll just leave the flag in the whole time. What are my yardages rated at? But the aim was pretty spot on, so maybe I just need to add 1% power. And now we got a heartbeat. That 1% makes a difference. So little things like that will help you figure out, what you need to do. But even when we were over here, it's still on the green. It's not a terrible shot. And we can kind of make slight modifications. So let's go to the next shot. Same aim. We're going to leave the aim 3.5, all the same, all that good stuff. Now we're looking at, let's see, roughly, 5-iron, roughly right in this ballpark, 93, 94%. And you see, our distance is good, 197 rolled back 2 yards. But because we use full backspin, the wind is going to have more effect. So we can't aim that the same as a punch shot. So we do have to aim over here like we normally would. And that's the difference between the 2 apexes. See, that's a lot different apex than the punch shot I just had. So if I hit that same shot with the new aim, now we get a heartbeat. So that half a grid makes a difference. in what you're looking at as far as apex, as far as shot types, and so forth and so on. And now we'll show you the 6-iron half spin shot. And again, these are 3 different clubs, 3 different shots, all achieving roughly the same purpose. And that's what we're looking for in this situation. Looking for different shot types to get the same result in the same ballpark. So there you go. 3 different shots, looking at the aim, how the apex varies. See, that's roughly the same apex as the 5-iron full backspin. But if I were to hit this punch shot again, and again, remember that 117, 120, 5-iron, 6-iron, looking at this apex again, 98%, boom, boom, boom. 81 feet apex, roughly 40 feet less than the other 2 shots. That's why on punches you need less aim, half grid, so forth, and you practice with that. But the trick is to, let me see if I can put this, is to stay away from this. Okay, let me move the flag, get that out of the way. The trick is to stay away from all of this trouble area right there, you know, because all this goes down like so. That's not a very good drawing, is it? It goes down. So you got to keep in mind that that goes down like this, goes down like this, goes down like this, goes down like this. So when you see trouble area, choose the shot that best effectively keeps you away from this trouble area, okay? I would much rather be anywhere over here, giving myself a relatively flatter putt at 10 to 15 feet, than, you know, to be down here, see, at 30 feet with severe elevation changes, roughly 20 inches, 24 inches of elevation changes. So keep that in mind when you're looking at a shot like this. Try 68 feet for downhill, and then start practicing with which club responds best and which winds, and which spin works best for which winds. And that way you get comfortable doing these type of shots at the hole like this. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this helped. If you have any questions, let me know, and we'll be here for you. All right, have a great day. Cheers.